This one is a matter that is going to be for KPS. Corporal Williams, this is your case. Now calling the matter of People versus Patricia Denise Wilson. This is ticket number P1238374. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number P1293359. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, ignore right turn only or exit signal lane. Ticket number P1209298. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket P1293357. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, who, Your Honor, has not appeared in the meeting. The matter was scheduled for 8:35 a.m. and, scheduled for 9 o'clock trial. I'd also acknowledge the presence of a good corporal from the Detroit Police Department. Sir, would you state your name for the record?
Good morning, Corporal Lamont Williams, badge 4198, City Detroit Police.
Thank you for your appearance, Corporal. I don't have an explanation for the defendant's absence, so would ask that the matter be set for show cause. If that would please, court.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to set this for a capias. The time is set at 9 a.m. No appearance for a bench trial because of capias. Thank you so much for your patience today, Corporal Williams. You have a good day.
No problem. Thank you, too.
This one is going to be yours, Sergeant Anthony Williams. Jasmine Williams.
Yes.
Sergeant Williams present.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Victoria Williams. Wait for Ms. Williams to get where she needs to go. Where you going, Ms. Williams? Get to where you be staying?
Actually, I'm on my way inside of the doctor's office.
Okay. You hold tight for a moment. All right. Now calling the matter versus Jasmine Victoria Williams. This is ticket 317490. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, unregistered vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P1287397. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P1287398. One count, disregard traffic control device. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ms. Williams, would you state your name for the record?
Jasmine Williams.
I'd also acknowledge the presence of officers from the police department. Would you state your name?
Sergeant Anthony Williams, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you and good morning, Sergeant Williams. Your Honor, the defendant is going to waive her right to any trial this morning. She's going to plead guilty. She and I have discussed the plea recommendation, and there are a number of matters that will be dismissed here on her behalf. I would stipulate the probable cause as to those. Thank you.
If that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
All right, you gotta put your phone on mute because you got a lot of background noise. And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, ma'am? You got mute.
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. First, I'm going to take you back to the date of December 22nd of 2021. Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Grand River and Westbrook in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
It was insurance on it. My dad had switched insurance companies. So the insurance that he had, I didn't have it with me because he had it on him.
All right, so we're gonna have a trial. Ms. Williams, I'll put you into the breakout room so that you can be able to wait for us to get ready for the trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, Sergeant Williams, you have something?
Yes, I just wanted to be confirmed on the record of could I have the case number? You know what? Not to the case number. I just want to make sure. Yeah, can I get the case number for this trial to make sure that this is actually the Jasmine Victoria Williams?
Okay, it's case number 317490. You wrote the ticket. It is at Woodward and 8 Mile, near 8 Mile. It's for no operator's license on person, unregistered motor vehicle, and no insurance.
Oh, got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, sorry, Attorney Boffman, I tried. That's the only officer here though, so you can talk to her after we finish everything, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Everything is gonna work out. It'll be okay. We'll just try another way of disposing of the case, Your Honor. We ask for a recall at the latter end of the docket, please, and thank
Absolutely. Terry Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Terry Williams Jr. This is ticket number P1292765. Count 1, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number P1297713. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP131448083. 1 count, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP1314408. Count 2, disregard signal red or amber. SP1297731. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket SP131448081. Drove while license suspended, repeat offender. And ticket number SP129773132. 1 count, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Mr. Williams, please announce your full name to the court.
Terry Devine Williams.
There are also officers present. Would you announce your names, please?
Corporal badge 3896, Detroit Police, 6th Precinct.
I send it to you. Officer Wood, badge 4163, 6th Precinct.
As the defendant's going to waive his right to any trial today, he's going to plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation on his behalf. I stipulate to probable cause as to those matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So at this time, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of January the 22nd of 2022. Were you in the area of East Evergreen and West Chicago in the city of Detroit driving a Cadillac vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was there open alcohol in that motor vehicle, sir?
Yes.
All right, also drawing your attention to the day of, and I'll read from the ticket to establish a factual basis of December 21st, 2021, in the area of Tireman and Mansfield in the city of Detroit. Mr. Williams was driving a Chevy vehicle and did fail to stop for a stop sign, therefore blocking traffic. Satisfied, counsel? Unmute yourself, counsel.
I'm satisfied. Thank you.
Station for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of open intoxicants in passenger motor vehicle on the passenger side and blockading for the fail to stop for a stop sign. Sir, the fine for blockading is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you to pay that one ticket?
Yes.
All right. It's going to be due no later than December 21st, 2022. The other ticket, I'm charging you $240 for. How long do you need additionally? 30 or 60 days for that ticket, sir?
60 days.
I'm gonna give you until February 7th, 2023 to have that paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good day, Mr. Williams.
Thanks.
Something to keep in mind. So, okay. Lori Young.
Judge, did you want Deborah Mo in the courtroom?
We are ready on that case.
Oh, okay. Leave it right there. There's one. Mr. 5 minutes till she's ready. Williams?
Lauren Williams.
Yes.
Now you just called my court and said you were going to work. Are you going to work in a tank top?
No, I'm putting on my jacket right now.
Oh, okay. Turn your camera back on. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lauren Rashawn Williams. This is ticket P1272552. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Oh, she just refused anyway. Yeah.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Lauren Williams.
Here for review, Your Honor. The defendant has no new cases. We'd ask for respectfully the disposition that was promised her when she pled guilty to this matter.
All right. At this time, I see she has no new cases in this matter, and I gave her a $0 fine. So I was in a fantastic mood that day. Ms. Williams, you're all set. And this
Okay,
case is dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, ma'am, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye. Oh, wow. Yes. Okay. I just gotta write it. Yes, okay, thank you. Sorry, I'm having a memory lapse right now. Sade Yancey?
Yes, I'm here.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Sade Latoya Yancey. This is ticket number P1293922. This is one count careless driving, also calling ticket number P293938, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Excuse me, good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name for the record?
Sade Yancey.
Thank you, Ms. Yancey. A moment while I consult my notes, Your Honor.
It's a bench trial today.
Oh, we're moving to dismiss for no complaining witness, please, Your Honor.
All right. So at this time, the court, it is 11:34 a.m. No officer present for these matters. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these without prejudice. Ms. Yancey, I hear you have a baby in the background. Usually when it's a 25-mile-per-hour zone, that means it's a neighborhood.
Yeah.
You would hate for kids to be outside and you were rolling down the street that fast. Keep that in mind, okay? This
Yeah.
matter is dismissed, though, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Lois, right?
Yes. Hello?
Now, I have you scheduled for a bench trial today, and I always tell people that they need to be on a visible phone when they are talking, when they come for a bench trial. Why are you not?
Oh, I didn't know. I apologize.
All right, now calling matters of people versus Lewis, right? This is ticket number P1294829. Count one. Count one, tinted windows, front passenger. Count two, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number 144468191. One count failed. Nope. Okay, those tickets were on the docket for today for a bench trial. Ticket number 144468191 is here today for a fail to display. This matter isn't up again until March 31st. But we're here today on this. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Okay, please support Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, Mr. Wright, please?
Lewis, right?
Thank you, Judge. As to the matters that are set for trial without a complaining witness, we're moving to dismiss without prejudice. As to the matter for which the defendant appears for arraignment, we would ask that a not guilty plea be entered on his behalf and that the matter be set for a pretrial, please, and thank you.
All right. So on the case, ticket P1294829, that case is going to be. Oh, this was a big one. Yeah. That case is going to be dismissed for no officers present. All right, okay. All right, sir. All right, sir, I'm gonna dismiss that. On your other matters. All right, I'm gonna have you come back for a pre-trial on the other matter on February 21st, 2023 at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Bond set at $0 personal on that matter, okay?
Okay.
Great, I'll see you then. Via Zoom. The other way.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
Oh, thank you.
Bye-bye. You're welcome. Crystal Washington. Crystal Washington.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Crystal Washington. This is ticket P 13105117. One count expired plate. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please, ma'am?
Crystal Washington.
Thank you. Judge, there is a plea recommendation that these instant cases would be dismissed upon payment by the defendant of two civil infractions that currently are in default. The defendant is agreeing to do that. We just need some time to pay, Your Honor. Would you be so kind to allow the defendant to make payment in February 2023? She's having some financial difficulty at this time.
Yes, the court is going to, in conjunction with this plea, court's going to close out this matter. Those are just in disposition at this point in time, ma'am. So you have until that much time to make a payment on those tickets that remain, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, ma'am. Have good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day. Michael Anthony Williams. Michael Anthony Williams, can you hear us, sir? Mr. Williams? Michael Anthony Williams, can you hear us? Can y'all hear him or no? Is it just me? I don't know what's going on with his phone.
He appears to be connected to audio, but he doesn't appear to be saying anything. Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Good morning.
Hello?
You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Michael Anthony Williams. This is ticket P 1360486. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Michael Anthony Williams.
Judge, the defendant is asking for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
All right, if that's the case, Mr. Williams, please raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I affirm.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself, where I'll listen to the facts of the case, and based on the law, I'll make a ruling. You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so the date is going to be March 3rd of 2023 at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, but you can't be on the phone how you are today. You have plenty of time to find the Zoom app so that I can physically see you on the day of your trial, okay?
Okay. So what do you mean find a Zoom app? I gotta find a Zoom app?
Zoom app, so you need to have somebody help you. You can either put it on your phone, or you can, if you know anybody with a laptop or a computer, you can get on that way, but I have to be able to physically see you on the day of your bench trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, bond is set at $0 personal. You're all set, sir, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Too.
Henry Earl Young?
Yes.
All right. Now calling, now calling the matter of the people versus Henry Earl Young. This is ticket P 1293910. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, improper pedals. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Henry Young.
Thank you. I also acknowledge the presence of the corporal from the police department. State your name.
Corporal Spidell, batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning, Corporal Spidell. The defendant is going to waive his right to any trial this morning and then plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. So at this time, reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that at the date of December 22nd, 2021, in the area of Hubble and Chicago in the city of Detroit, Mr. Young was driving a Toyota vehicle and did block traffic by speeding and having to be pulled over. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Your Honor. I would also stipulate the probable cause for the stop and the recommendation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So at this time, it's going to enter a plea to blockading, an amended plea. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for blockading is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
No, it isn't.
All right, how long do you need? 30 days?
Yeah, 30 days.
All right, so I'll give you until January 9th, 2023 to have that paid, okay, sir?
Okay, I got another question. Could I
Yes,
be
sir.
put on a payment plan?
You just gotta pay it. You need more time than that for the 175, sir?
Yeah, I was just wondering, could I be put on a payment plan?
You don't have to pay it all at once. You can pay it in pieces,
Okay.
I guess.
Okay.
I mean, you don't have to pay it all completely at once, but it's 30 days gonna be enough
Okay.
time? After that, they start adding late fees. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, that's enough time.
Okay, yep, just pay what you can and then put it down.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, thank you. There's nothing
Yep.
further, you're all, okay?
Okay. Have a nice
All
day.
right. You too. Thank you, Corporal Spinell.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You too, thank you. Carla Woods. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Carla Woods. This is case number SP 1362117, count 2, improper plates. SP 1362116, count 1, no valid registration certificate. Ticket number SP 136211171, drove while license suspended, and SP 136211173, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman. On behalf of the defendant, would you state your name, madam? Ma'am, Ms. Woods, would you state your name for the court?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Carla Woods.
Good morning, Ms. Woods. Judge, the defendant and I have discussed these matters. She's going to waive her right to any further hearings on the matter. She wants to settle this here by pleading guilty. There is a recommendation. And for those matters that are being dismissed, I'd stipulate to probable cause. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Woods, if you want to take advantage of this offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Woods, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding everything, did you still want to move forward, Ms. Woods?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of June 9th of 2022. Ma'am, were you driving a GMC vehicle in the area of Lance and Eureka Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving, did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, and the court is satisfied as well. Will accept the plea to improper plates. The remaining counts per stipulation by counsel will be dismissed without prejudice. Ma'am, my fine is $200 for this ticket. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
60 days, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than February 7th, 2023, okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
You are very welcome.
You have a
good
blessed,
day,
safe
Ms.
holiday.
Thank you, same to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You good, Attorney Bosman? Okay. Now calling Deborah Mahone.
Ready, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Deborah Ann Mahomes. This is ticket P 1266633. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name for the record, ma'am?
Deborah Ann Mahomes.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant has sent to my attention proof of insurance for a 2011 Buick that expires, that is current and valid, as well as a registration certificate that expires on January 7th, 2023 for that vehicle. Both are in her name, and as an officer of the court, and the insurance doesn't expire till March 26th of 2023. I'm attesting to those documents as an officer of the court, asking the court to consider dismissal here as the policy for corporation counsel is to dismiss upon presentation of these types of documents. Thank you.
All right. So at this time, being an officer of the court, having now valid documentations for this vehicle, the court is going to grant your request. I am going to dismiss these matters without prejudice.
Thank you, Your
You
Honor.
weren't driving the vehicle though, were you?
Excuse me?
I said you weren't driving that vehicle that day though, were you?
No, I was not. I was in the vehicle.
I know, okay. All right, thank you for getting out all of I listen, I read it, so I realized it was probably a child driving the vehicle.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Well, it's dismissed without prejudice today, ma'am. You're all set, okay?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. You guys have a good holiday.
You too. Thank you very much.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Erica White?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Now, call. You gotta get to someplace real quick.
Just right in the hallway.
Okay. I figured that's you at work. I see. I understand. Now calling the matter of people versus Erica White. This is ticket number 184838997. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Erica White.
Thank you, Ms. White. We're going to waive any further hearings or rights to any further hearings and plead guilty here today, Your Honor. There's a recommendation.
If that's the case, Ms. White, please raise your right hand. The right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth? It's okay. Take a deep breath, Ms. Wright.
Okay.
Take a deep breath. You see, I'm smiling. You're good. Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything beyond the plea agreement in exchange for this plea today, ma'am?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, Ms. White?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of these things, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take you back to the date of September 7th of 2018. Were you at that time driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Wyoming and Schoolcraft in the city of Detroit, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And was it unregistered or untitled at the time you were driving that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm also stipulating the probable cause as to any matters being dismissed here.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to drive a registered untitled vehicle. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, this was a while ago. What happened with this vehicle?
I don't even have being careless. I just being honest, being careless. And now I'm just now realizing that I need to get it done.
I understand. All right. My fine is typically $200. Are you able to afford that, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
Okay. How long do you need to pay it? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay. All right. I'm having to do no later than January 9th, 2023. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. White. Yes. You
I
got
do have a question. Can I pay this through the website or do I have to go downtown and pay it?
Yep. You can pay it on the website. You can go to 36districtcourt.org and pay it. Or you can download, I found out you can actually download this DivDat machine app and put it on your phone, but you can just go to the website and pay, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. White. You have a great day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Donna Wheeler? Donna Wheeler? Unmute yourself. Okay.
Oh.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Donna Wheeler. This is U-Ticket 596743221. This is one count, enter or remain on private property when closed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Barry Bachman, on behalf of the defendant, would you state your name, ma'am?
Donna Wheeler.
Thank you, Judge. We're pleading not guilty. We want to waiver trial by Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right. At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Ma'am, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Wheeler, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial, bench trial before myself as the trier of facts. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to set it for a bench trial on the date of March 3rd. March 3rd,
Okay.
2020. It's going to be at 9 a.m. It is still via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in, zoom in on that day, ma'am, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, and I'll see you March 3rd, okay?
Okay.
All right, ma'am, you have a fantastic day.
I can leave.
You can leave. Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you.
You too. Latoya Williams. Latoya Williams.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
How are
All
you
right,
this
start your
morning?
video. Okay,
I'm sorry.
I said start your video for me.
Okay, give me 1 second. Stop it. Hold on 1 second. Can you see me? Okay, there you go. All right. I'm sorry.
What's your daughter's name?
I'm sorry.
What's your daughter's name?
Harrington.
Harrington.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
need you. Hi, I'm Miss Marlena. I'm Judge Marlena. Okay, I need
Say
you
hi.
to be quiet 1 minute while we do your mommy's face, okay?
She been asleep all morning, and now when you come, it's time she wake up.
All right. Now, the matter of the people versus Latoya Williams. This is ticket P1348828. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name, please?
Latoya Williams.
As the defendant has been presented an offer, she's going to plead guilty to, according to its recommendation.
Okay, all right, so reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of May 10th, 2022, in the area of 7 Mile and Littlefield in the city of Detroit, Ms. Williams was driving a Chrysler vehicle that had expired plates. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor. We stipulate a probable cause as to the matter being dismissed too.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to expired plates. The remaining ticket will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for that is $145. It's okay, $145. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time, or do you need more time? You can unmute and tell me.
Okay, I have more time because I have to pay tuition for my daughter. So please, like Jane.
How much time?
Can I just can I have to January?
You can have to January. How about February 7th, 2020?
Perfect. It'll be paid before then.
Okay, fantastic. All right, thank you for your patience. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
But she's
It's your fault. I'm bringing her to 36th District. What's your name, Judge? Because you're the babysitter for the rest of the day.
I'm feeling I love babies. I'm pretty sure like, don't they be here with that lady?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a happy holiday. Happy holiday. You guys stay safe. I can hang up. Can I hang up or stay on?
Yes, you can. No, you can hang up. You're all set. Just pay it. Lawrence, Washington. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lawrence, Washington. This is ticket P1311013. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name.
You, Mr. Washington.
Lawrence Anthony McCoggin, Washington.
Thank you, sir. The defendant's going to waive rights here
Having
and
some
now
trouble hearing you
to
guys.
any further hearings or trials. He's going to plead guilty. There's a recommendation, Your Honor.
All right. Can you hear us, Mr. Washington?
Okay, there we go. I have it now. I'm sorry about that.
Can you hear us, Mr. Washington?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
I can. I just want to make sure. All right.
Okay.
Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of February 6, 2022, in the area of 7 Mile and Woodward in the city of Detroit, Mr. Washington was driving a Chevy vehicle and did block traffic by speeding and having to get pulled over. Satisfied, counsel? Attorney Baldwin.
Satisfied. Thank you.
All right. I think you stipulated to probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed. So at this
Yeah.
time, the court's enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading. Sir, the fine for that is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna have to do no later than December 21st, 2022, okay?
Is there a way I can pay that today?
Give us at least until tomorrow, but go online and pay it tomorrow online, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you. You have a blessed holiday and New
You
Year.
too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. You can log off, sir. Thank you. Demetrius Williamson.
Yes, how you doing today?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm all right. I got a little worried. I had to go watch it on YouTube Live. I was at work.
I said, no worries. It just took us a while. We had like 23 people signed in. So
I understand.
Calling the matter of people versus Demetrius Williamson. This is ticket P 1274597. Count 2, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Demetrius Williamson.
Thank you. Judge, we're waiving rights to plead guilty today.
All right. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis, the court is going to read from the ticket on the date of November 7th of 2021 in the area of Livernois and Elmhurst Streets in the city of Detroit. Mr. Williamson was driving a Kia vehicle and did disregard a signal red or amber, therefore blocking traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause of remaining counsel be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. The remaining count will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for that is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that enough time for you?
I get paid on December 16th, so I can pay it that day.
Okay, so I'll give you until December 21st. Is that good for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am. You said 175, correct?
That's correct, 175.
Okay, December 21st. Okay.
All right, 2022. All right, sir, if there's nothing further, you are all set. Thank you so much for your patience today, okay?
Thank you. Y'all have a good holiday.
You too, thank you.
All right now.
All right, bye, sir. Kendra Wheeler.
I'm here.
All right, turn your camera on for me, please.
I'm sorry. Let me just go up the stairs. I'm sorry.
I know, it's okay. You've been at work probably.
Yes, I'm sorry.
All right.
I'm here.
You good?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Kendra Monique Wheeler. This is ticket P 1301609. One count drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Kendra Wheeler.
Thank you, Ms. Wheeler. Judge, the defendant is asking for an adjourned pretrial so that she can return in compliance. She's awfully close.
Said she needs some more time to become compliant.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The court is going to set this for pretrial on the date of February 21st, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. That should give you plenty of time, Ms. Wheeler, to get it all in compliance, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
February 21st, 2023, 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you then in compliance, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you so much. All right. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Oh, can I leave now or?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
okay.
No, no.
Bye.
Kevin Williams. Mr. Kevin Williams, please press star. Nope, not star. Unmute yourself and turn on your camera. Mr. Williams? Takesha Washington? Takesha Washington?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Takesha Washington. This is U ticket 630-24522. This is one count prohibited conduct, manager allowed. Oh. Appear semi-nude. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Takesha Washington.
Thank you. Judge, there's a genuine issue of fact. The defendant is not guilty and asking for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
All right, ma'am, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Balkman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of fact. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna make it a bench trial on the date of March 3rd, 2023, March 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Now, Ms. Washington, for the bench trial, I must be able to see you. So you need to get the Zoom app and download it either on your phone or on a computer, okay?
Yeah, I did download it. I just didn't I had a different name on my ticket thing, so I think I was looking for the wrong person. And then by the time I gave up and called down there, they just told me to call the number to hurry up and get in there.
Okay, so practice before then so you can make sure you can get on through the Zoom app, okay? When you get in the Zoom app, this is my courtroom number. Let me give it to you. Ready to take it down?
Hold on, let me write it down.
Okay. When they ask for the meeting ID, you just put this in, okay?
Okay.
360-337-0000, okay?
360-337-0000.
Yes, that's correct, Ms. Washington, okay?
Okay.
All right, fantastic. So put that in and you'll be all set, okay?
Thank you. Can I get that date one more time so I can rewrite it down?
Yep, March 3rd.
Okay.
Yep, 9 a.m., okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Ms. Washington. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You as well.
All right, bye-bye. All right, Mr. Williams, you are muted. Can we hear you now? Try
Yes, I
talking.
believe. Yes.
All right. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kevin Lee Williams. This is ticket number P1354345. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Also calling in warrant status ticket number SP 1018146. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, improper plate. And ticket number SP 107332222. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Kevin Williams.
Thank you, Judge. We're going to waive rights to any further hearings or trials. We're going to enter into a plea agreement. The defendant is going to be guilty or responsible here and now.
So it looks like the other tickets. Okay, it's all right. All right, sir, if you want to take advantage of this offer. All right, so the offer was originally count 2, expired plates. That one was a warn and dismiss. So I know he didn't know that, and you didn't know that on the offer. John.
Yes.
Can you look at this? Sure. He only has count 1 on this ticket, and then state, whatever you decide to do on this ticket. All right, give me 1 second, Mr. Williams. Let me figure this out.
No problem.
Okay. Just be
Okay.
silent. You were having some connection issues. I'm gonna go and do a couple of other people, okay? Just stay on the
Okay.
screen, okay? Dwayne Walker.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Dwayne Walker. This is ticket P 1310984. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket number P 1266842. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. Count 3, expired plates. Ticket number P 1267029. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1310983. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, sir?
Dwayne Walker. Dwayne Antonio Walker.
Thank you, Mr. Walker. Judge, the defendant is going to plead guilty and or responsible here. There's a recommendation, and I would stipulate to probable cause as to any matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. So, Mr. Walker, if you want to take advantage of the offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial of these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding everything, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take you back, sir, to the date of February 6th of 2022. At that time, sir, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Plymouth and Winthrop Streets in the city of Detroit?
That is correct.
While you're driving that vehicle, did it have improper plates on it at the time, sir?
Yes.
All right. And then reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis, on the day of October the 21st of 2021, in the area of Connor and McNichols in the city of Detroit, Mr. Walker was driving a Dodge vehicle that had expired plates. Satisfied, Attorney Boffman?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And there's already been a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed. So the court is going to enter 1 count expired plates, 1 count improper plates. The remaining tickets called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for expired plates is $145. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay civil infractions. Is that enough time for you, sir?
Ma'am, will it be possible I can get 30 days? I'm about to start a new job and I will. I have to wait 2 weeks in the hole before I get paid.
All right. My other fine is going to be all right, $145 is due on that ticket. I'll make it due no later than February 7th, 2023 to give you some time to catch up. And then I'm gonna waive the cost of fines on your other ticket, because now you're gonna be able to get your plates up to date and get insurance and everything. So you're gonna be in compliance. Isn't that right, Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am. I already have my plate, ma'am.
Okay. All right. You got your insurance? You just said plate real quick.
Yeah, I have my insurance, my plate, my registration, everything.
All right, so just pay my $145 fine on that ticket by, I gave you a lot of time since you just now starting to work again.
I appreciate you, Your Honor.
2023. Now you may have some reinstatement fees that's not included, so you're gonna have to find that cost, okay?
Okay.
If it is, okay? It may not be any, but it may be some, okay? All right, you're all set, Mr. Walker. Have a good day.
I appreciate you.
You're welcome. Same here.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
All right. We're just gonna tell you Mr. Kevin Williams' offer real quick.
So for Mr. Williams, he had a total of 7 counts. So we were just asking that he plead guilty to 1 count of driving an unregistered vehicle and responsible to 1 count of expired plates, with the other 5 counts being dismissed.
They want to dismiss the expired plates, so that's the problem.
Oh, those 2 are.
They're warned and dismissed.
Oh, okay.
I know, that was it. Okay, give me
Okay,
a
well, then
second. What?
So we'll just ask for the registration charge.
Can you just do the registration, Mr. Williams? You just want to do 1 count of unregistered, unregistered vehicle. It's no points, doesn't abstract, but I'll charge you a fine of $200. I can tell you right now.
Yes.
That's the deal. I like it.
Recalling the matters of the people versus Kevin Williams. This is ticket P 1354345. 1 count driver's license never acquired. Ticket number SP 10181461. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, improper plate. Also calling ticket number SP 107332222. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Kevin Williams.
We're going to waive rights here today to plead guilty, Judge.
All right, sir. So please raise your right hand for me, Mr. Williams. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, they didn't.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in the future? You understand that, sir?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Okay. Understanding everything, you still want to move forward today, Mr. Williams?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of May 19th of 2022. Sir, were you driving a Cadillac vehicle in the area of Plymouth and Greenfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And while you were driving that vehicle, oh no, I just said the wrong one. I apologize, wrong case. Let me do the right one. I'm going to take you all the way back to the date of August the 24th of 2019. So you got to think back. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of West McNichols and Wickham Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered with the Secretary of State's office, meaning you didn't have good tags on it at that time, sir?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, satisfied. I'd also stipulate the probable cause as to the matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to drive unregistered untitled vehicle. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, as I stated, my fine is $200. I'm looking at the rest of the tickets though, and I'm gonna let you know right now, you have some driver's fees that you owe to the Secretary of State's office in the amount of $45. So that's not included in the $200, okay?
Okay.
All right, and it's actually a $45 one on this ticket that I'm doing today too. But when you go into the system, you'll be able to see how many $45 fees you need to pay, okay?
So where would I be paying this ticket at?
So you pay this ticket at 36 District Court or online at 36districtcourt.org, okay?
Okay.
All right, and you also pay those $45 fees here, but they give you clearance to get your license back at the Secretary of State's office. We send clearance after you pay them. I'm letting you know because they actually printed out on here so I can see them, okay? All right, you understand, Mr. Williams?
Oh, yes, yes, I do.
Okay.
I have,
All right,
I have
how
my
long do you need
permit.
to- Oh, okay, good. Well, you gotta get your license though to drive.
Yeah, I am. I'm supposed to take it tomorrow.
Nice.
Okay. How long do you need to pay this $200 fine? 30 or 40 days? I mean, 30 or 60 days?
30 days at the most.
Okay, I'll have it due no later than January 9th, 2023. Okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes, thank you.
All right, good luck to you tomorrow. And has anybody ever told you, do you get told you look like somebody a lot?
Yeah, a lot.
Who, Calvin Johnson?
Yep.
All the time. I had to take a double look when you first came on, like. No,
Take it, John.
all right. Have a good day, sir. Make sure you pay that in 30 days, okay? And good luck on
Thank
your
you.
driver test. All right.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye. Jamal Walker?
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jamal Walker. This is ticket number P1369858. Count 1, disregard traffic control device. Count 2, fail to signal. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Jamel Walker.
Your Honor, the defendant appreciates the opportunity to resolve this matter today. He's going to plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation.
All right, fantastic. He is very welcome. Reading from the ticket that on the date of July 14th of 2022 in the area of Van Dyke in Nevada in the city of Detroit, Mr. Walker was driving a Chevy vehicle and did disregard a traffic control device, therefore blocking traffic. Satisfied? Mr. Walker, stop walking.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. And so stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Absolutely, yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. The remaining 2 charges will be dismissed. Sir, your fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, Mr. Walker?
Yes.
Okay, you sure?
Yes.
All right. Have it due no later than December 21st, 2022. Okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you for your patience, Mr. Walker. You're all resolved. Everything is good. Your license won't be suspended, okay?
Okay. Thanks a lot. You have a good day.
You too. Very good. You too.
All right.
All right. Michael Williams? Michael Williams?
Can you hear me?
I can. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Can you turn on your camera for me, sir?
I don't know how to do it.
Just asking you to do it. Are you able to do it or no?
Hold on, I gotta figure out how to do it.
What you need to do?
Turn on the camera.
What message is it giving? Ah, there you go.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Michael Andrew Williams. This is ticket number SP 1313119, count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1313120, count 1, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please, Mr. Williams?
Michael Andrew Williams.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is going to waive his right to any further hearings or trials as a recommendation. He's going to plead guilty and or responsible according to its contents. And I would stipulate to probable cause as for any matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down for me, okay? Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or a jury trial, sir?
Yes, I am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, sir, I'm going to take you back to the date of February 10th of 2022. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of West 7 Mile and Ashton Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And did that vehicle have improper plates on it at the time, sir?
Yes, it did.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Bachman?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to improper plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed per stipulation and to probable cause by counsel. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
All right, so I'm going to give you until February 7th, 2023 to make that payment, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, you are all set, sir, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
You are very welcome. All right, Attorney Bachman, on the last case, it is for Jasmine Williams. So the only officer who showed up was Sergeant Williams, and those tickets are no operator's license on person, unregistered motor vehicle, and no insurance. What are we doing? You want to do unregistered motor vehicle?
Can we do the registration one time?
Yeah.
So it was registration.
It was no operator's license, unregistered motor vehicle, no insurance.
Yeah, we can do it in order.
No registration, okay?
Thank you. We're ready.
I'm gonna bring
Let
her
me,
in here.
I better speak to her though, really quick about.
I'm bringing her in here so you can talk to her. And then, Ms. Williams, you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. All right, you can't drive on Zoom, so I'm gonna put you in a room real quick, and then you'll be able to talk to Attorney Bachman. When you get to a place where you're still, he'll bring you back in, okay?
Okay.
Room 1 for her. Room
Okay.
1.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
So no, I think you were doing this yesterday. Sign up for that phase 2. Is that?
We're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Yep. Okay.
Miss Williams, you ready?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jasmine Williams. This is ticket this is ticket 317490. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. Ticket number P287398. 1 count disregard traffic control device. And ticket P128738. Drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Your name, please, ma'am.
Jasmine Williams.
Judge.
We also have Sergeant on the line. He's been here with us.
Sergeant Williams, S2, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you very much. How are we proceeding, Attorney Bossman?
We're pleading guilty to the registration, and the remaining counts will be dismissed here either by way of agreement or for the reason of no complaining witness, Your Honor.
All right. And you want to take advantage of that offer, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. You can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bossman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 31st of 2018. At that time, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Woodward and 8 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered at that time with the Secretary of State's office?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining 2 counts on this ticket to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to unregistered motor vehicle. The remaining counts on that ticket will be dismissed. And typically my fine is $200. Are you able to afford that?
Yes.
Okay, how long do you need? 30 or 60 days?
Probably 60, because I'm about to stop working, about to ready to go into labor in the next 3 days. So yeah. Probably about 60 days, and I can have it paid off.
That's why you were at the doctor's office?
Yes.
You okay though?
Breathe.
Everything got right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. When do you anticipate you'll go back to work?
So I'm still working right now, but my doctor just told me, she just told me that I have to stop this week. So this will be my last week.
Right.
So I'm supposed to be getting workers' comp. So I should be getting paid after like the next every 2 weeks.
Okay. All right. I'll give you until March 7th. Do you think that'll be enough time for you to make the $200 payment, ma'am?
Yes.
Sergeant Williams, will you be terribly mad if I waive her costs and fines so she just focuses on her new kid?
That's fine with me, ma'am. Congratulations to her.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Officer Williams or Sergeant Williams.
Thank you.
I'll waive costs and fines. Just focus on your baby, okay?
Thank you so much.
You are you're very welcome. Okay, thank you for coming on to even do this. You're trying to take care of business before you had this kid. I understand.
Yeah, he wasn't even supposed to come this early.
Oh, all right. Well, he said it's time, so oh well.
Thank you.
Get ready. He said, get ready, friend. All All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, ma'am, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Bye-bye.
Hey,
Thank you,
Thank you, you all.
Sergeant. I appreciate you. Be careful out there, okay? You don't even do this type of stuff anymore. That's how I knew the case was old.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't wait anymore.
A long time ago, but it's all do appreciate it.
Time ago, okay? All right. Have a
I
good
appreciate it.
day.
You have a good day. You too.